mean, median, and mode. So let's have mean first. Mean, by definition, the sum of data divided by the number of data. So you have mean, the sum of all data values divided by the number of data values. This is how you represent it in an equation, where this symbol, read as x bar, is the mean of the set of x values, and the summation of x is the sum of all x value, and n is the number of values. So the mean is the sum of all x value divided by the number of x values. So we have an example. One took 7 statistics tests in one marking period. What is the mean test score? So you have 89, 73, 84, 91, 87, 77, and 94. So the mean is you're going to add 89 plus 73 plus 84 plus 91 plus 87 plus 77 plus 94 all over 7. So this is equal to 595 divided by 7, so 85. The answer, the mean test score of 1 is 85. Let's have another example. The mean score of a group of 20 students is 65. Two other students whose score are 89 and 85 were added to the group. What is the new mean of the group of data? You will not get the mean of this and then add to the mean of the first group. That's a big wrong. What you're going to do is to find first the sum of scores of the first group. So to do that, we already know that the mean of the first group is 65. So you just use this formula. So 65, and then we have to know, this is our unknown, the summation of x, or the mean of the the sum of all score of the first value or first group. Divide by 20, which is the number of x value. So to do this, you cross multiply. So therefore, the summation of x is 65 times 20, 1,300. So we already know that the first sum of the first group is 1,300 and the second sum is 89 plus 85. Since it is 20 plus 2 data, so that is 22. So you add 1,300 plus 89 plus 85, that is 1,474 all over 22. So that is 67. The new mean is 67. So this is how you solve this problem. Okay, so that is the mean. Let's proceed to the median. The median, the middle of a sorted list of number, meaning you have to arrange the data for either is ascending or descending. Most preferably ascending. What is the median of the following numbers? So what is the median of the following numbers? Before that, if it's odd, the position, you need to get the position that is n plus 1 over 2. So the median is the value at that position. If it's even, you have to know the two positions. You have n over 2 and the second position is n over 2 plus 1. The median is the value of the first position and the value of the second position all over 2, or getting the average or the mean. So to solve this, do not forget to sort the data in ascending or descending. So preferably in ascending order. So you have 8, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. Since it's 2, 4, 6, 7, there are 7 that is odd. So in the position, 7 plus 1, 8, divide by 2, that is 4. So the median is the value at that position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So since this is the value at that position, therefore the median is 12. You can also do that without this equation because you only have few numbers of data. In case there are a large number of data, you use this one. Okay, so Next example. What is the median of the following numbers? 15, 14, 10, 8, 12, 8, 16, 13. So what you're going to do is use this. So you have arranged the data in ascending order. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have the first position and the first value is 12. 8 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 5. So the fifth position is 13. 12 plus 13. So the same with this, value 1 plus value 2. So 12 plus 13 divided by 2, and that is 12.5. So the median of our second example is 12.5. So this is the median. Find the middle term, but before that, you arrange the data. Depends upon if it's odd or even. If odd, the median value is at that position, and if it's even, you have to get the average or the mean of the two value. Let's proceed to mode. Mode, data with the highest frequency or the most frequently occurring data. So you can have this. No modal data set contains no values that occurs more than one. So meaning each data has the same numbers of frequency. Unimodal, one mode. Bimodal, two mode. Trimodal, three mode. Generally, this is multimodal or two or more modes. What is the mode of the following numbers? The answer is 14 because there are 3 14. So this is an example of a unimodal because you only have one mode. What is the mode of the following number? Answer, the mode are 8 and 13. So because you have 2 8 and you also have 2 13. So this is an example of bimodal or two mode. Generally, it is called multimodal. So you have the mean, median, and the mode. The mean is the summation of all the values of data divided by the number of data. The median is you have to arrange the data and then find the middle term. If the middle data are 2, so you have to find the mean. And then you have the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring data, ang kinadaghanan. So that is the mean, median, and mode. See you next discussion, and thank you for listening. Have a good day. Goodbye, class.